Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for all of those who don't know me, I am a tarot reader, and no, I'm not back with another tarot reading. I'm here to help you people. Probably some of you won't want this kind of help and some of you will. But the thing is, in my last 6 years of tarot, I have observed certain things. And that is how your vulnerability is taking you to paths which you regret later in your life. And I know I'm not talking about hookup culture or something like that. That's for some another day. It's about taking repetitive readings and being too dependent on the readings. The thing is, what happens when someone is in pain or when someone is vulnerable? First of all, these things are very affordable and accessible nowadays. So what one person does is, whatever app is available to them or whatever reader is available to them, they will go to that person. They will take the reading. There are two scenarios. First is they hear what they wanted to hear. They will become happy, and for confirmation they will go to another reader. Okay. Second thing is they didn't get to listen or hear whatever they wanted. They will become disappointed and they will go to another reader. If they felt good, they went to another reader, felt good again. Then this will become a loop. Whenever they are feeling low, the escape or the way to heal that loneliness or that low end vibration is asking a reader the readings. And if you go to a lot of people, then this will become a vicious cycle. You will jump from one person to another, one person to another, one person to another, or maybe sometimes the same person who gave you the positive readings way back. And if the readings are fluctuating, which they do most of the times, because these things work on energy, environment, the reader, and a lot of things, then you will want to seek answers, that which one is right, which one is the truth. Let's match, who to match, so that I can come to conclusion that, oh, this is going to happen in my life. So this is a vicious cycle. I have seen people who have spent lakhs on this thing in a span of a month or 2 months, probably 15 days. So I am not telling you to not take readings, but the thing is, this cycle is a little toxic. First thing, the problem. I'll talk about the solutions in the last, okay? Second problem which I see is, people prefer that it is better to consult 10 people who are giving a reading at 10 rupees each than to consult one person who is giving a reading at 50 rupees. Then what happens is, you are going to 10 different people, taking different energies, giving different energies, and then stuck because everyone will not give you the same reading. Everyone's style of reading is different. Everyone's way of reading is different. Everyone's remedies is different. And some people are there in the market who will intentionally say good things to you, and there are some people in the market who will intentionally say bad things to you so that you can buy their crystals, their remedies, their workshops and stuff like that. So you lost that thing, whatever you wanted to heal about yourself or whatever answers you wanted. Third thing is, they lose their decision making tendency because these things are so easily available and so accessible. They want to consult their reader every second of the day, every time before making a certain decision. Should I text him? Should I talk to him? Should I eat? Should I bath? When should I do this? When should I do that? You won't even understand and believe the kind of people who come with the kind of questions. So they're too dependent on these people. They don't understand that these people are humans too. And they probably take a lot of people's consultations throughout the day. So for you, this person can be someone who is very helpful, but for them, you are just another person who is coming to them. So the kind of trust you put in these people for little things in life is not what you should do. I'm not saying to not trust these people, but the thing is, you should trust these people to an extent. You should consult them regarding whatever situation is going on, but the last decision should be yours, not what that person said. And stop asking them, when should I go, when should I not go, when should I text, when should I not text. Then where is your decision making power? People forget about these things. They become like total puppets. And till the time they realize that whatever is happening with them, they have either spent a lot of time and energy or a lot of money. And even if they have acceptance now, they are not able to accept the fact that I'll have to let go of these people or let go of these things. and I'll have to make decisions of my own, and I'll have to sit with my anxiety on my own. These people have a pattern that whenever anxiety happens or whenever the past thing strikes, these people will just go to another reader. Most readers in the market are sugar coated because they have to be. People don't even want to listen the bad things about themselves. I've seen a lot of people who refuse to talk or refuse to take readings just because you are being honest to them. Just because you're taking a little while. If there's a call session or if there's a chat consultation session, you are doing or reading their stuff or pulling out the cards. They are so impatient. They'll be like, please tell me, why aren't you replying? Why aren't you saying? You're just wasting time. At least give that person time. You're not even giving that person to read carefully or to take his or her time to read whatever is happening. Then how can you expect that person to give you accurate readings? And every astrologer, every tarot reader might agree with me, some might not, which is okay, but most of them will agree that all these things work on your efforts too. There are a lot of people who get such good readings, have such good charts, but still they are doing nothing in their life. Because just having a good chart or just having good cards doesn't define your life. You are the one who will have to make efforts. So these are just tools to navigate or sometimes seek help from, not the decision makers of your life. You are the decision maker of your life. People will be like, yeah, I can resonate. I have been in this cycle, but I don't know how to get over this cycle. First of all, start with deleting all those contacts, all those apps. It is okay to keep one person, keep a genuine one, not the one who talks all the good things to you. The genuine one who actually wants to help you. Second thing is, even if you don't want to keep the genuine one, it's okay. Go for a break for some time. And in that break, try to sit with yourself. Try to make decisions on your own. And see how things go. Sometimes they will go good, sometimes they will go bad. But even if they go good or bad, it will be your decision, not someone else's. It will be your life. You will be happy with whatever decision you made. Or at least be satisfied that I was the one who took those decisions. After that, even if you made bad decisions and there was some kind of loss in your life, sit with that loss and learn from that loss. Don't go back to the readers again. That, oh, this thing got bad in my life, I have to consult my this again. Please. These things are just helping tools. I'm telling you again. These things are just helping tools. The life is yours. And whatever is written, whatever is being told to you, you with your actions can change whatever is happening. You can. But if you are too much indulged in all these things, I know those conjunctions, those words don't go out of your mind. Then you will have to rewire your mind. That's another thing. But at least start by taking your own decision, sitting with your own anxiety instead of consulting someone whenever you have anxiety. Will he come back? Will she come back? And another thing is, there are people who come to me asking that this person has feelings for me, someone told me, and they want to come back to me, but it's been a year, he hasn't come yet. Should I wait or move on? Bro, it has been a year already. Just because in card it is coming, this person has feelings for you, doesn't mean that you should leave everything in your life and just wait for this person. They become too blinded by the readings. Who told you if it comes, this person has feelings for you, you should leave everything in your life and you should focus on this person's feelings and wait for that person to come? Who told you? Most of the people don't understand, and mostly I'm not in the position to tell these things because most people don't. And if I am the only one speaking all those things, then sometimes the other person feels a little bit intimidated. They feel probably I am not the right one and I am not on the right track because no one else is talking about this. That's why I came here to talk about this. Okay, kindly use this. I know this is also important, but to an extent, this is also important. Okay, use this.